bee doing its thing. There's some trail magic up there.
That was a treat.
We won't tell you what it was, but it was cool.
But it got you high.
Oh my god.
And we also had another friend come meet us.
We did. Good
with
old
some
car.
beers.
Good old car.
Horseradish.
Yeah, the horseradish.
She met us with some cowboys. And by the way, I do have 3 gems up in her.
Yeah,
that was awesome.
And then hooked up the sandwiches as always.
Yeah, we got
down in the parking lot.
That was dope.
And then it was on the Downer Ski Ranch.
Downer Ski Ranch.
To get a well-deserved, but also really appreciated free 40-ounce/42-ounce beer.
Yeah, I couldn't get mine because I didn't have my ID. So that was kind of a bummer for me. So they drank. And
well, it's because you look like you're 19.
Apparently I look like I'm 20.
29 for 15 years running.
I'll take it as a compliment. But I wasn't happy about it.
You weren't too happy about the compliment at the time. But
Yeah,
Count and I, we said, you know what? You get your ID figured out. We'll drink for you. And we did. It was great. It was nice to have 42 ounces.
So
some hikers were there. We're chatting. It was a fun little...
Still reserve, babe.
Still reserve 8.1%.
What do you got there, bud?
Do you know these guys from the 42-ounce Still Reserve is for being a through hiker? 8.1%.
They took off for the PCT on Easter, so they all got.
I don't think I'll finish
it.
So anyway, when we were at Donner Ski Ranch, that means you're super freaking close to Truckee.
Yes.
If you know anybody that lives in Truckee, you should hit them up.
Hit them up. It's a cool place.
And we know someone, so we hit him up.
Yeah.
We called Corbin, and he lives there, and he had just recently moved, and this beautiful house. So we met him for dinner and beers at some bar or restaurant.
Some pizzeria.
A pizzeria.
Yeah, in downtown Truckee, which was happening.
It was going off.
It was happening.
Yeah, made it back to his place, and he just moved in, so everything's fresh yet. But it's a great house. We had a good time hanging out there.
Yeah, you
got
let
to
us shower
and just relax. Really, there's chairs and wilderness. And
yeah, and he gets it. He did the AZT with you.
Yeah, he did the AZT on a unicycle with me, so he's been there, done that, and he totally understands that it's nice to have, you know, all the luxuries on trail when you can.
Yeah, I cooked a fat breakfast for us in the morning, and we went swimming in the lake, got the canoe out there.
The 3rd of July. Taking a 0 day here. Thanks to our friends, Corbin and Lexi. We got some canoes. We got a kayak. We got some beverages, some subs. It's gonna be a great day. It's a zoo out here.
Had a really dang good time.
Yeah.
Just relaxing, hanging
Chill
out.
day.
Yeah, with the whole family, it was nice. I had met Lexi before. It was great to see her again.
And their son.
And I'd never met Ansel before, so very precocious young fella. It was real nice to meet him.
Yeah, it was great. So thanks for the hospitality.
Yes,
That was a highlight of the weekend.
Absolutely.
And then it just kept continuing. Like
Got
after
better.
that, we
The four of
horseradish
us, yeah.
brought us to Reno.
Reno, Nevada.
We had some fun Saturday night in Reno. A little
Sure
too
did.
much fun.
Well, was it? It was fun. I don't know if it was too much, but it was a good amount.
Very good.
It was a
Good
great time there.
100% the way that it was back in the
Keep
day.
it that way.
We don't even wash it.
Heck yeah.
That's so cool.
Look at it come up.
Oh, you can hear the compressor.
Yes,
compressor.
they're airbagged.
Can you make it bounce?
Passenger
Man,
side
I could
driver.
live in that.
A guy could, dude. What
That's
a
bigger
chick.
than an Astro van.
Here it
I
goes.
love it.
Adios. Hasta luego, Crystal.
I love it. It is the highlight of my day.
That was a hike.
Yeah. Well, we
Yeah.
stayed in an incredible hotel.
Well, it was
Expensive.
incredibly expensive.
Like
Well,
300.
the room
was
was nice.
Well,
it
you get what you
300
pay
bucks
for.
for.
300 some bucks for a good one.
That was expensive.
But it was nice.
It was fun. We
sure
gambled a little bit. I put 50 bucks down on red on roulette, and I won.
Horseradish dropped your phone off of a bridge into a river, and somehow we retrieved it.
And it still works.
And
We
it's
put it
working.
in some rice and let it sit for a day, and it's still working.
But they have a real nice river walk, and then once the sun goes down, it's basically Vegas, I guess.
It's
And a-
shit Vegas.
It's shit Vegas. Yeah, no,
Yeah.
sure. It is shit
It's
Vegas.
Reno. It's Reno for a reason.
I was thinking Las Vegas would be bigger.
Was that a Tesla revving it up? Or that Subi? Oh, it's the Subi.
Yeah! Steak and eggs.
But
It
anyway,
was
we
fun
got
for one night.
yeah, go one night. We got the hell out of there.
Well, one unfortunate thing that happened was at about midnight, I got a text from my ex saying that my dog died,
Oh, that was
MacGyver. So that was a big
yeah.
downer for
That's
me.
a big speed bump on
Dude,
the
yeah, that
five.
ain't no
Yeah.
for
So
sure.
that was very unfortunate. I was super happy to have, like, met him a month or two earlier.
I remember
so.
that too. I was right there. That was cool.
Yeah,
But,
it's
you
amazing
know-
that we made that you made that effort to go see him when
Yeah.
you could, and
Dogs don't live forever, so it's just an unfortunate situation. So I'm here in Reno, and I was really happy because I won some money. And then I got a text from my ex that my dog died, MacGyver. So I'm losing my shit. Kind of sucks. And it was. Don't have much to say, but then I'm devastated. It sucks.